November 2015, paper 1, question 10. A and B are two rescue centres shown on a map with 1 centimetre is 5 kilometres. Measure and find the straight line distance in kilometres from A to B. So I'm going to measure, I'm going to put my ruler on A and I'm going to finish it on B. So it's right in the middle of A, it's going to the middle of B, which is just past the halfway. So that's 13.1, 13.2, 13.3, 13.6 centimetres. So the part A is 13.6 centimetres, but because 1 centimetre is 5 kilometres, I've now got to multiply that by 5. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do 136 times 5 and then divide by 10. So 136 times 5, 5 100s are 500, 5 30s are 150, 5 6s are 30. I'm going to add them together, so 500, 650, that would be 680 millimetres, which in terms of centimetres, if I'm dividing by 10, becomes 68 centimetres, 68 kilometres. Okay, so 68 kilometres for that question because 1 centimetre is 5 kilometres. Part B, a monument is on a bearing of 136 degrees from A and 219 degrees from B. So let's have a little look at this question. It's 136 from A. If you remember from bearings, you always go bearings, north line, clockwise. Always place your protractor this way first, and you're always using the outside digits if you go this way. So from 0, 136 would just be past 135, and then 1. And what I would do is I'd mark 136 and draw a big line through it. 219 from B. So my protractor allows me to go to 180, which is half a turn, but now I need to go fuller than 180, so I'll go around the other side. And if I was counting up, I'm counting up from 180, so it'd be 190, 200, 210, 220, so it'd be 39 degrees this way, 1 before 40. I would then mark it with my protractor, draw a line going straight down, and where the 2 points meet, I'd mark that with an M. Right, in terms of angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. We know that this right angle is 90 degrees. So I'm going to do 90 plus 33 is 3 add 0 is 3, 9 add 12, 3 is 12, so it's 123 degrees. And I'm going to do 180, take away 123. 0 take away 3 you can't do, so I'm going to take 1 off the 8 and make that 10. 10 take away 3 is 7. 7 take away 2 is 5. 57 degrees. Right, in terms of this parallelogram, okay, because it's a parallelogram, these two sides are parallel, which means if this angle here is 27, this angle here would be 27. Okay, I'm able to find this angle here now because I've got a C shape. And with a C shape, it's called an interior angle. And interior angles add up to 180. So to find that, all of that angle there first, is 180 take away 114. 0 take away 4 you can't do. So 10 take away 4 is 6. 7 take away 1 is 6. So both of that little bit there is 66. I'm now going to do 66 take away 27. 6 take away 7 you can't do, so I'm going to take 1 off the 6 and make it 16. 16 take away 7 is 9. 5 take away 2 is 3, which means that one there is 39 degrees. And what I have here now is one of my Z angles called an alternate angles, and alternate angles are equal, so Y is 39 degrees. Right, when you're solving equations, you want to get all of the x's on the one side, all of the numbers on the other. So you look, what's bigger? 8x is bigger than 5x, so I'm going to keep my 8x there. Okay, I'm going to leave my 21 where it is. I need my minus 9n to go over the other side, and my plus 5x to go the other way. The opposite of a minus is a plus. The opposite of plus is a minus. So the plus 5x goes over and becomes take away 5x. And minus 9 goes over and becomes plus 9. And now I can collect them together. 8x take away 5x is 3x. 21 add 9 is 30. That means 3 times x. The opposite of times 3 is divide by 3. So 30 divided by 3 is 10. So x is 10.